Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your memory with Smart Clean Pro. Go ahead and open up the application, guys. Sometimes you'll have advertisements shown in the app, but once you open it, you can check your memory. Just go ahead and click on Tools on the bottom option there. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on where it says Device Status. Once you click on that, it's going to do a quick scan of your device. And here you will be able to see your memory. So you can go ahead and click on check, and it's going to open up and start to do a quick check. Again, this is a little bit annoying with the ads, but you just need to go ahead and click the X towards upper left or right to get rid of those advertisements, and you will be able to see your memory usage here. And here you can see my memory usage with all the applications. And you know what, you can go ahead and stop those applications if you don't want to have them run in the background on your phone. Just go ahead and stop whatever one you want. Let's say I want to do that, for example, this little plus, I can stop it, and as you can see, I can force stop this application right here. So this is how you can basically free up memory usage on your phone by just looking at these applications and stop the ones that you don't necessarily want to have run on your phone. And that's pretty much it, guys.